Hi, welcome back to my channel and my top box has arrived, so I'm just gonna unbox that real quick now. Arrived 2 days before the delivery date. It's always pleasant when that happens. So yeah, let's open it up. It's actually a really cute shape. It's not too big as well. Yeah, this is the JB Racing J32, and I believe. Oh wow! It looks good. It looks good. That's actually a lot of space, and I believe this is the everything required for the fitting of the box. This is the metal top plate, and these are the fittings required. I'm just going to keep that back inside. Okay, so in the last video I said that JB Racing, JDR, ASG and Motobox essentially make the same box. Well, this proves that because this says JDR on it. So I took my bike and the accessory, the top box and all the fittings to Akash at Unleaded Care, who's my new go-to guy for anything related to my bike. He just does a very good job and just gives me the correct advice regarding my bike. So we had to get some alterations done to the metal strips so that they would fit perfectly and deliver a maximum strength and stability to the fittings of the top box. Obviously that was done very well. So the strips basically had to be cut according to the precise measurements of the bottom of the rack, and the bolts had to be fitted accordingly as well. So that was done very smoothly, and soon enough the plate was on. Okay, so the top box has been fitted. It's fitted well, very sturdy application. And I don't think it looks too large by comparison of the bike as well. Obviously there is added mass there, it's visible, I can feel it when I'm riding as well. But it's not too evident. I mean, this is the 32 liter one. I was considering getting the 45. The 45 would be up to here probably, which would look way too big for this bike. The backrest, it is here. But my girlfriend says it's alright, it's nothing great. It's made of the same kind of plastic that the actual box is made of. And yeah, I'll just get the keys. Where are the keys? Okay, yeah, in my pocket. So I'm in college right now, so it's got quite a lot of stuff in it. A laptop, charger, everything is under here. My gloves have also fit. And the locking mechanism is also pretty straightforward. I'm trying to do it with one hand right now. Yeah, there you go. Only problem was it is rattling quite a bit, which I did see in a few reviews as well, so I was sort of ready for it. So I've added 2 layers of foam underneath, which I will show you in a bit, or I'll just insert the video right here. But stuff inside still rattles, so I've added some cushioning in the form of napkins and all that. But overall, taking it off, removing it, putting it back on is super easy, very, very convenient, especially for college. Now I don't have to wear a backpack for my 21-kilometer one-way commute, which has relieved my stress quite a bit. So first impressions of the box are really very good. Vibration can be solved by adding some packing, foam sheets, rubber tubing, whatever you prefer. And it's working very well with the rack as well. And as you can see, the fittings here, solid as well. So we had to cut this, Akash had to cut this so that it sort of jams up against the plate rather than sticking out here, in which case the bolts wouldn't have been delivering their maximum strength because there would be a gap between the rails and this metal strip. So this has been fitted beautifully by Akash. Very, very well done with the job. And yeah, so this is the JB Racing J32 top box, and it's really very good.